I wonder if the elevator's still on. Alright. Here's an elevator that's hard to recognize. It's been a long time since I filmed it. They kept the annoying fan, but they made it not scenic. Jeez. This is a quick one for the distance it travels. Oh, now that we got one round trip, you can't hear anything of the fan running in here anyway, but I can't believe that. This used to be a glass elevator with a window in the back, and when they redid the cab, they just went right over it. Pretty rough start at this thing. But yeah, this looks a little tacky, like they kept the brass ceiling that clashes with everything. COP has seen better days. That is crazy.